Welcome to Philips Hue, the world's most innovative lighting system designed around you. Hue is easy to set up. Just plug in, download the app and go. Use the app to tailor your lighting experience. Control all the lights in your home, whether you're at home or not. This will give you peace of mind, so you can enjoy your time away. And when you come back, they'll even welcome you home. Set your imagination free. Turn your gaming into an experience. And let movies make it feel like you're part of the action. Or just wind down and relax. And when you need to wake up, Hue will help you as gently as possible. It's about creating the best lighting experience for every space in your home. Hue truly allows you to turn on living. Innovation and you. Philips.
You've waited all day for the best light. You've waited for just the right moment. The Typhoon H Plus gives you the confidence to capture the best shots you've ever taken. With this aerial camera, professional-grade features are accessible at any skill level. Capture incredible imagery with a large aperture 1-inch sensor camera, capable of 20 megapixel stills and 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Typhoon H Plus comes equipped with Intel RealSense technology, a sophisticated collision avoidance system that detects obstacles and intelligently navigates around them. This aerial camera is powered by a newly redesigned Android-based ST16 controller, which includes a large, high-brightness 7-inch integrated display. Leading its category in stable flight and quiet operation, the large 6-rotor airframe is extremely stable in winds up to 30 miles per hour and is 40% quieter than previous HEX models. Capture those perfect moments with the all-new Typhoon H Plus.
Ask all recipes for a shrimp pasta recipe.
My recommendation is champagne shrimp and pasta recipe. Main ingredients are shrimp, mushrooms, plum tomatoes, cream and Parmesan cheese.
Mushrooms, tomatoes, ounces are in a cup?
1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces.
Buy white wine from Prime now.
Your favorite white wine will be here between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m.
Dim lights to 70%.